Good evening, everyone. I am Shalinder Kaur, Director Horticulture, Commission Director, Punjab. Today is World Blood Donor Day, so let's donate blood and save lives. Also, today is the 84th day of sharing information regarding COVID 19. Today, the world figures are confirmed cases 78,95,000, recovered cases 4,56,000, dead 4,33,000. In India, the figures are confirmed cases 3,22,612, recovered cases 1,62,594, deceased 9,204. In Punjab, the situation is stable. Total positive cases are 3,140 with an increase of 77 since yesterday. Recovered cases are 2,356. Total lives lost so far are 67 and active cases are 717. Now I would like to share how the Government of Punjab's Department of Horticulture has been playing the frontline warrior role by serving as special executive magistrates for the supply of ration, home quarantine, administrative officers for isolation wards, hygiene audit officers, sector officers, assistant nodal officers, and cluster coordinators and deputed at the district level. Also, during the time of COVID, nearly 1,25,000 acres of area for the vegetables was harvested. During the lockdown, there was a surplus production of 24,000 metric ton of vegetable and its marketing was done with the help of Punjab Mandi Board. To promote the vegetable kitchen gardening, approximately 25,000 vegetable mini seed kits have been distributed in the various districts of the state. During the lockdown, 3,000 quintals production of seed potato and vegetables was done in the 8 government farms of the department to provide seeds at government rates to the farmers in due course of time. For the management of the glut of the fruits, 30,000 quintals of it was processed in the various horticulture processing labs and 30,000 bottles of squash has been made from different type of fruits which is being supplied to the consumers at the nominal rates. To promote the beekeeping and honey production in the state, 6,000 bee boxes were supplied to 620 beekeepers. During this year, nearly 4,695 acres of the area which was brought under diversification, a direct benefit transferred to nearly 2,310 farmers of an amount of 1 crore 46 lakhs was done during the COVID times. A total of 152 acres of area which was brought under protected cultivation and assistance of 4 crore 50 lakhs was provided to these progressive farmers during the COVID times. Around 3 crore 50 lakh assistance was provided to 440 unemployed and landless youth after opting the profession of beekeeping. Under the post-harvest management of horticulture produce, a total of 2 crores 17 lakh was provided to the 26 newly established units. Farmers who have been practicing mushroom cultivation have been provided 24 lakh rupees for the production and compost units in the area. The district heads were instructed to issue the movement passes for smooth marketing of the farmer produce. Nearly 5,000 movement passes were issued to the farmers, which led to 1 lakh metric ton of vegetables being supplied in and out of state with the help of Mandikaran Board. Opting the farm to fork model for the first time, 48 farmer interest groups, clusters were made in which 854 farmers have been linked. This has resulted in the availability of fruit and vegetables to the housing societies, the flats and the residential associations at nominal rate such that the farmer has been given a market access straight to the consumer. Kinnu being the main fruit of Punjab, during the lockdown, nearly 1700 movement passes were given. This resulted in marketing of 8 lakh metric ton of kinnu to the states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Hyderabad, Maharashtra, Bihar, Kolkata, etc. And farmers were saved from major loss. Nearly 5 lakh metric ton of potato too was marketed during the COVID times. Muskmelon and watermelon are two fruits which were the main crop during the summers. During the lockdown, this perishable produce was marketed by giving 713 movement passes, and 559,000 metric ton of this crop has been marketed out of the state to Jammu Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, etc. As beekeeping is the main occupation of the landless and unemployed youth and farmers, 2,000 beekeepers were facilitated by giving migration passes from to and from the state. Along with this, the nodal officers of different horticulture crops issued technical advisories for the management of the horticulture crops from time to time to the farmers. To strengthen the link between the department and the farmers, social media groups were made and advisories regarding crop production, disease management and marketing was provided. As per the directions of the government of Punjab, most of the staff have already got the IGOT training also. During the COVID-19, the state also faced the attack of the locust. This is still going on, and all the officers of the department along with the district officials and agricultural department are fighting this cause also. The Department of Horticulture has been working relentlessly and diligently for the fight against the corona. We also work to encourage the Mission Fateh, which has been launched by our Honorable Chief Minister Sahib, so that this disease can be fought by discipline, cooperation and commitment. Looking forward, stay healthy, and I hope that you are with the government and help us to fight this cause. Thank you so much.